All right, this is step 4 in getting started with the cash manager. As you can see, we did steps 1 through 3 in previous videos. Those are on our website and also on YouTube. You can go through here and see that we added our accounts, we have our bills, we have money that we expect coming in, and then we're going to be doing reserves. Reserves are things that you need to pay for in the future. We have some default options such as an operating buffer, which if you don't have any other idea of what to set up, that would be the first one that I would suggest, just to have some money in the account so you don't overdraw. You always know if you have $50, $100, whatever you choose, that there's always a little bit of margin will help to make sure that your account doesn't overdraw, so you don't accidentally overspend. And then there's payroll, quarterly taxes, if it applies to you for local or sales tax. If you have a savings goal, so if you want to set up for saving up for a piece of equipment, or if you just want to make sure that you have future operating funds, and then you can always just create your own. That's an option there. But it just makes it easy way for you to not have to think, what kind of reserve amount you would need, since we already have placeholders to give you some ideas to get started. So for our fictional business, we're going to start out with quarterly taxes. It automatically selects here, and then we know that we're going to be paying this from our operating account, and I'm going to name this quarterly. And our goal for the amount that we want to have is $4,800, and we know that we have $3,600 set aside already. And you can start to see that we're getting them filled in. So I'm going to do another one because we mentioned in a previous video that we have a couple of employees and we need to make sure that we are always covering our payroll. So I'm going to put in that we have money set aside for that. And if you don't have any set aside, you can just put the targeted amount, and that's sufficient until you're able to add the money towards that. Then I'm going to say we need an operating buffer so we don't overdraw our account. Ooh. And we have some money set aside, but not completely. So we have $16,000 that we want to reach. We have currently set aside $12,800, and we still need $3,200 to reach our goal. So you can see our progress for the different things that we're working towards. And then you can also see it by the account that they're linked to, which all of ours are just in the operating account for right now. Now that we have the reserve set up, we can go back to the dashboard and we can start to see more information, and our 4-step setup box is gone because now we have everything set up.